Hi, I'm Lorraine Dallmeier and I'm the Director of Formula Botanica, the accredited and award-winning online organic cosmetic science school. And in this mini-series, I'm talking about the biggest mistakes we see artisan skincare formulators make time and time again. And we've trained thousands of formulators, so we know the biggest mistakes that people make. And we've already talked about the fear of failure, the fact that a lot of people want to run before they can walk, and also incorrect ingredient usage and choice. And in today's episode, I want to talk to you about testing and the fact that a lot of formulators don't adequately test their products. Now, we're based in the UK, but we have thousands of students in over 110 countries around the world, so we deal with cosmetics legislation all around the world. Here in the UK and the EU, though, testing is a mandatory requirement for cosmetics, and that is a good thing because you want to make sure that the final product that your consumer gets hold of is safe to use. So that's why microbial challenge testing is a formal requirement in the EU for products that contain water. It means you have to send your product off to make sure that its preservative system will withstand usage by the consumer. You also have to stability test your products to make sure that they will stay together and remain stable for their shelf life and maybe even a little bit beyond their shelf life. Now here in the EU, obviously that's a mandatory legal requirement, but in many other countries around the world, in fact in most other countries around the world, this is not a legal requirement. And that's actually quite worrying because it means a lot of companies are out there, they're self-regulating themselves, and there's no one actually making sure that they are adequately testing their products and that the products they put out there for consumers to buy are safe and stable and sellable. So you as an artisan formulator need to take responsibility to make sure that your products are tested adequately. So if they do contain water, you send them off to the lab to be microbially challenge tested. Regardless of the type of product that you're making, you have to put in place a stability testing regime, which you apply on a very regular basis because it's embedded at the core of your business. Now we teach you how to do all of this in Formula Botanica's courses. We even have 2 specific certificates in cosmetic stability testing and natural cosmetic preservation. So I do recommend you come and check them out. So I hope you enjoyed this short episode, this short series. If you did, leave me a comment below. And if you're watching this anywhere other than the Formula Botanica blog, head on over to formulabotanica.com and come and sign up for the sample class that we have on offer there.